self-refilling, self-emptying 60 days, mop washing and drying, all at a mid-range price. The Dreame L10s Ultra packs flagship dock automation into one of the most accessible robot vacuums on Amazon. Here is the honest breakdown. What it can handle. Hard floor cleaning earns 8.6. Modern castle testing recorded 98.4% debris removal across all hard floor types, with Tech Radar confirming reliable daily dust, crumb, and light grime removal. Mop scrubbing scores 8.1. 180 RPM dual rotating pads with auto mop, lifting on carpet detection, and 3 dampness levels handle light stains and daily grime well across review testing. Heavy carpet pet hair scores 5.2. 5,300 Pascal suction shows documented limitation on medium pile carpet with heavy cat or dog fur confirmed across multiple Reddit and Boomset reviewer reports. Obstacle avoidance scores 5.8. Structured light plus camera handles common objects but trails AI camera arrivals on cords and dark surfaces. Daily performance. Dock automation earns 9.0. 60-day auto empty. Self-refill, auto detergent dispensing, mop washboard cleaning, and hot air drying in one dock is flagship-level hands-off automation at a mid-range price that Tom's Guide and Tech Radar both call the standout feature. LiDAR navigation scores 8.2 with accurate first-run mapping, customizable no-go zones, room splitting, pet mode, and carpet boost mode all working reliably in reviewer testing. Battery and runtime scores 7.8, 5,200 milliamp hours delivering up to 150 minutes of combined vacuum and mop on a single charge with recharge and resume for larger homes. Dock noise scores 5.9. Auto empty and mop washing cycles are audibly loud, described by Tech Radar as resembling a full-sized vacuum running. User experience. Value versus flagship rivals earns 8.9. The self-refilling mop wash and hot air dry dock automation, previously found only on robots, costing significantly more, makes the L10s Ultra the best all-per automation robot in the mid-range category, confirmed by Best Robot Vacuums 2026 ranking. App and control scores 7.9. Dreame Home app room control, zone scheduling, floor labels, and cleaning history work well once initial setup is completed, though first-time configuration feels information-dense per Boomset and ReviewReview.com. Long-term reliability scores 5.1. 12-plus months of ownership data across Reddit and Product Review Australia surfaces dock pump failures, main brush wear, and battery degradation as recurring concerns. Corner edge cleaning scores 5.6 as the round body and single side brush leaves a thin dust line along some baseboards. Who it's for? Hard floor and mixed surface homeowners earn 8.9. Laminate, hardwood, tile, and short pile carpet homes where the dock automation and mopping capability deliver genuine daily convenience without any manual intervention. Budget to mid robot vacuum upgraders score 8.7. Buyers stepping up from a basic robot vacuum or a non-self-emptying model will find the automation gap transformative at this price. Heavy carpet or pet hair households score 4.9. 5,300 Pascal suction and no AI camera mean this is not the right tool for homes dominated by carpet and heavy shedding pets. Buyers prioritizing long-term reliability score 5.1. Dock pump and battery concerns after year one are documented enough to factor into the purchase decision. Is it worth it? Dock automation value earns 9.0. 60-day auto empty, self-refill, mop wash, and hot air dry at this price point is the most automation per dollar in the reviewed mid-range category. Hard floor cleaning value scores 8.6. Suction and pet carpet value scores 4.9. Long-term reliability value scores 5.1. The CineTech overall score for the Dreame L10s Ultra Gen 1 is 7.4 out of 10. 3.7 stars. The best dock automation value in robot vacuums for hard floor homes. Upgrade to the Gen 2 if heavy pet carpet coverage is your priority.